Peppa Pig gets grinded. Get her! Oh, I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hit me!
Peppa phones a helicopter to take George away for nothing and gets grounded.
Hello, this is Peppa. I would like you to send a helicopter to take my little brother George away. Why do you want us to take him away? Because he was throwing me in the microwave and he almost killed me. And I have like 3rd-degree burns. Okay, we're on our way. Okay, here we go. What have I done? We got him. Good job, buddy. I'm a girl. Oh, sorry. We're gonna take your brother to jail. Yeah, I am a talking helicopter that looks like a dragon anyway. Anyway,
George
see
you have visitors.
Hey, Daddy.
Don't say hi, Daddy, to me! You're so grounded! How dare you put your own big sister in a microwave? That's it! You're grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 1, 5 years.
My name is Peppa. He's the one trying to get me arrested.
Peppa, is that true?
Yes.
I could not believe you waste time. That's it. Let's go, George. You're gonna stay in here.
Wait, what?
Let's go. Lock out the cell.
No. The end.